Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna discuss a really interesting and important topic. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, in various social media platforms and even in WhatsApp groups, I see a very common question where among NRIs and OCIs that hey, I wanna bring some funds from India. How can I do it? Okay. Now, recently I have done something that I would like to share, which actually open doors for you to do this. How it works, listen to me very carefully. So the method I'm going to describe is NRO to NRE transfer. By now, I assume you know what an NRO account is and what an NRE account. If you are an NRI or OCI, then you are not allowed to open a resident Indian account. Even your resident Indian account needs to be converted into an NRO account. So I assume you have this with a bank. Okay. Now every financial year you are allowed to move up to 1 million US dollar worth of money from NRO to NRE. It's a huge amount, right? For most of us that we could do much lesser than that. Fine, how to do this? So it's a very standard process. You need two forms, form 145, next form 146. 146 is going to be provided by your CA, 145 is your declaration, and you also need to attach the documentation to describe the source of the funds. For example, if you have got by selling a property or something you have got as that you have inherited, then relevant documents like sale deed, etc. If this is your saving that you have accumulated throughout the years, then you need to you may need to provide a letter from your CA. Okay, similarly it's going to be case by case. So then your bank processes this and they take care of other back end work. Once everything gets clear, they just transfer the fund. Now once your fund reaches NRE account, it opens the doors to the world. Now here you can use the wire transfer facility provided by your bank to transfer the fund anywhere using the Swift code. The other option is you can use payment services too, like Wise and some other, to transfer funds too. So now the door has been opened for you, and this NRE, you know that this money is not going to be taxable in India. So once you pay taxes on your Indian money and move that money from NRO to NRE, once the source is verified, once it is verified that you have paid all the taxes, and then once it reaches NRE, that's it. Then now the doors are open for you. Move your money anywhere you want to. You can book FDs there, then interest is gonna be tax free, or you can just repatriate it. It's all up to you. So this method I really wanted to discuss, and let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.